Welcome everyone to my channel, and today I'll be showing you how to cancel Spotify subscription. So first things first, open up your Spotify application. After that, you'll go on the top left side, and as you can see, here is your profile icon. Click on that. Here you can see your premium as your subscription. You can just click here, manage, and on the manage you will see your plan, you will have your renewal date, and at the end you will have cancel subscription. Right here you'll see what will change for you. I have it in other language, I couldn't change it. And here I'll just press yes, cancel as a white button. Right here you'll press whatever you want. Maybe it was too expensive or something, or you can just skip it on the bottom. And right here you'll see the goodbye message from Spotify. And if you click back to the account, you can just go back. And right here down below you can see subscription. So if you go manage your subscriptions, you can just check if your individual or other premium account was cancelled. As you can see, I got cancelled here. And yeah, that's it from me. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if this helped you, and if you have any questions, don't forget to leave them in the comments and I'll try to answer them. See you in the next one.